Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to reduce your PDF file size in Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open the PDF you want to reduce. Here is our PDF newsletter, Bluebeam Me Up. It has various high-quality images. Uploading and sharing such a high-quality PDF takes time. To reduce its size, go to the Document tab in the menu bar and click the Reduce File Size option from the drop-down. Here you can see your opened PDF file alongside its size. In the Output Options section, you can select the quality of the reduced file. In the middle, you have Bluebeam's recommended option for balanced image retention and file size. If you hover this scroll bar towards the Quality option, you can opt for maximum image retention. But if you move towards compression, you can opt for higher file size reduction with compromised image quality. Let's opt for this option to get the maximum file reduction. You can choose according to your preferences. Click Save. Revu will ask you to overwrite the existing file. If you want to create a copy of a reduced file, click the No button. Give your new file a name and location. Then hit Enter or click the Save button. Now wait for Revu to analyze and process your PDF for size reduction. Once Revu completes file reduction, it will show you a summary of file reduction. As you can see, the file size is reduced by almost 50%. The original file size of 1.6 MB is reduced to 0.8 MB. Now you can see that the reduced file has lower quality images than the original file we saw previously. You can also process multiple documents in a batch to reduce the file size of various files in a single go. You can opt for multiple files or a folder containing a batch of files. If no PDF has been opened in Revu, the Reduce File option in the Document menu will appear grayed out. However, you can access the same option from the Batch menu without opening any file. Let's click the Add button to add a folder containing multiple files for simultaneous file reduction. Wait for Revu to load all the files. Click the previous file from the Files section, as we have already reduced its file size. Then click the Remove button to remove it from the selection. Now we have 8 PDF files selected for file reduction. This time, we will choose to retain a better image quality. Now, click the Save button below. Revu will ask you to overwrite the existing files. If you click No, nothing will happen. Revu will not create a copy of files with a reduced size. The only way to do this is to overwrite the files. So, if you want to preserve the original files in your system, you better create a duplicate folder and choose it for size reduction. Now, wait for Revu to process and finalize file size reduction. Once you are done, Revu will generate a summary of file size reduction of around 12 to 13% as we opt for higher image retention instead of compression. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam, digitizing construction since 2003.